Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. In today's video, we are going to be bringing you back to the very beginning of this tiny home build and sharing the whole transformation of this tiny home bathroom. I can't wait to take you guys along, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Our tiny home journey began in December of 2023 when we broke ground. This has been about a 2-year journey from start to finish of this whole build, and we couldn't be more excited to be wrapping this up and having the decorating begin, which is personally my favorite part. Now we're gonna jump to 6 months later. And now I'm gonna take you guys into the bathroom. So this is what I would like to think very spacious bathroom. I just ordered the bathroom vanity that's going to be right here. It's a 42-inch. We have the toilet that will be right here. And then we have a beautiful walk-in shower. Is it beautiful right now? No, but it will be. So we have this, I believe it's a 4-foot wall, a 3-foot wall, 4-foot wall, and we have the shower head here. And we decided to do a walk-in shower for safety reasons. Although my mom is still very young, we're thinking future-wise, which when you become a certain age, it's important that you're not slipping, falling, so a walk-in shower was important. And when we talked to the gentleman about our shower, tiling it, he suggested that we do the knob to turn on the shower over here, which I personally never would have thought of. So that way, since it's such a large shower, you're not turning it on, getting wet with the freezing coldness, and then walking out. You can turn it on here and not get wet. So I thought that was a great idea. And obviously, since I don't build houses all the time or do tile installs, I don't know that. So that was a great little piece of information that I wasn't aware of. So we have where the vanity's going over here. I believe it's a 42-inch. We got the toilet, and then of course we have the shower. We have half of the tile up. We are not doing this. We have it subcontracted out to a tile expert. And so this is not a DIY project we are taking on, but I just had to share it in this video. There's that light fixture for the master bedroom. And then we just got these floors finished. Our tile guy finished it just 2 days ago. We love it. I purchased it off of Wayfair, and it's got a sage green look. I love it so much. So here's that little wall Jason did with the leftover lumber from the master bedroom wall. We thought we'd have enough to do this wall, but we did not, so that is okay. And I'll give you guys a glimpse. We have not done the trim work in here because we needed the tile to go in first. But here is that Zeliage tile. And then we decided to go with a gray pebble look down below. So there's our 2 lights that will go in the living room. And then I just put our doormats in here so that none of the contractors ruined the doormats. And so we have our other doormat out there. And this will go back once the house is done. One of my favorite and most cost-effective DIY projects was this DIY beadboard wall. We did it 4 feet up, and I honestly think that this is such a great way to do it. We got the 8-foot long pieces, so nothing was wasted, and we even were able to get a lot of the pieces in the damaged wood aisle, which then saved a huge amount of money. I didn't capture DIYing this in the bathroom, but I did for the living room and thought it would be fun to share it with you guys. And now we are into June of 2025, where you guys will be able to see the DIY beadboard done in the bathroom area as well. This was a last-minute decision. We were going to continue the beautiful weathered wood that you guys can see in that corner right there in the master bedroom. We were going to continue that in the bathroom, but it ended up being more cost effective to do the beadboard and kind of added a little bit of cottage charm that we were going with. Here is that beautiful Zilliage shower, all complete. I love the way this looks. It adds so much character to the space, and I love all of the handmade tiles. They look imperfect, which makes it perfect in my eyes. A big thank you to Wayfair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. We're gonna go ahead and go into the bathroom, and I'm gonna share with you guys our Wayfair finds. Mark your calendars for October 26th because it's Wayday's big Wayday sale, and it's back. So don't miss up to 80% off and free shipping. For our tiny home flooring, we used something different than the rest of the home, and we used this white octagon and green dot floor mosaic tile. You can also use this on the wall too. It looks so beautiful with all of the sage green that we have throughout this home. We also purchased our bathroom vanity called the Clarin 42-inch single bathroom vanity set and matched it with the Opulence widespread bathroom faucet, and this look blends all so well together. A big thank you to Wayfair for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Make sure you guys shop Wayday sale October 26th through October 29th to save up to 80% off plus free shipping at Wayfair. Here's a look of our tiny home bathroom with the vanity, the toilet, the DIY beadboard, and the beautiful shower. This is a clip of what the shower looked like prior to getting the shower doors installed. We went with a glass piece for the half wall, and then we did a full-length shower door that opens both ways. We're really happy with the color palette that we went with the shower heads and on the bathroom vanity faucets. I think everything complements each other so well, and we're so excited for my mom to move in, and I'm also so excited to get the styling started. Before we start bringing in the bed, the mattress, and things like that, we have a few minor things to take care of. We also need to accomplish this master bedroom closet, which we're still in the works for, and finish things like the install of the countertops for the kitchen, and that is looking absolutely beautiful. Next week, we're going to be tiling the kitchen, and I can't wait to take you guys on that journey. Make sure you guys check out our tiny home playlist. We have a YouTube Shorts as well as a long form series too. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope it left you inspired and ready to decorate and style your bathrooms. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, friends.